The foundation for the Philippine environment. The first and largest grant-making organization for civil society environmental initiatives in the Philippines. It was established to help abate environmental plunder and destruction in the Philippines. In more than 2 decades since FPE was established in 1992, the foundation has supported more than 1,300 projects in more than 65 critical sites nationwide. Entering its 3rd decade, FPE is celebrating 22 years of responsible grant-making and partnership building for a better environment. For FPE, partnership means more important biodiversity areas are sustainably managed and conserved. More people are engaged to act on pressing environmental issues that affect their lives. More organizations, government agencies, and community leaders are capacitated and connected to make sound decisions and holistic conservation actions. More relevant local environmental policies are approved and implemented, while national policy agenda gain momentum in various platforms. Partnership means environmental justice protects environmental defenders and disadvantaged communities from abuses and exploitation. That the rights of indigenous peoples towards their ancestral domain and natural resources are recognized. That researches on biodiversity and poverty alleviation are reliably pursued and shared to many for an upward spiral of knowledge and conservation action. 22 years after, we at FPE are still continuously and passionately forging partnerships for the environment to shelter wildlife and safeguard people from raging storms and floods. Healthy seas and thriving fishery resource. Stronger respect for indigenous eco-friendly practices. And more communities secured of a safe and better future. We are FPE, your partner for the environment.